I never really understood my dad. Why I say that? I remember one time I told my needed new shoes. He comes home with like the ugliest sneakers I've ever seen. Sounds like my dad. Why do parents do that? One time I complained to my dad because he bought me the wrong backpack for school. Yeah, see, you get it. And then I found out later that he used to skip lunch just so he could afford it. When I was a kid, I thought parents had it all figured out. And then I got older and realized they're just people raising kids for the first time. I never thought about it like that. Your dad's never had a son that age before. He's figuring it out as he goes. The shoes may have been ugly, but there was a dad standing in a store, looking at 20 other sneakers, hoping he'd choose the right one that his son needed.